Ganito kalaki ang itlog ng ostrich. Oo. Pero wala na siyang laman.
Dito po.
So if you want to buy, 500 pesos lang.
Pati pagko-picture sa lang.
Mahihila ako. Tapos dito naman guys, may mga dinosaur.
Hello and what is up guys? I am Sir Jen. At bukod sa pagtuturo, ito ang isa sa mga hilig kong gawin. Ang gumala, at gumala, at gumala. I feel more alive whenever I'm outside. Well, basically, I want to maximize the time that I have. Gusto kong masubukan ang lahat ng bagay na pwedeng subukan. Dahil alam ko na limitado lang ang oras ko sa mundo. That is why I am grateful to God for allowing me to do the things that I love doing and giving me strength na gawin ang mga bagay-bagay. And guys, I want you to be part of my journey. Sumama kayo sa adventures ko. And together, I know, makakamit din natin ang tagumpay.
Nasaan yung ulo?
Andito pa lang, sir.
Hindi yan nangangayat.
Hindi po, sir.
Wow!
Nangaulaw lang yan, sir.
Hi ostrich! Napakalaking elepante.
Aren't you an animal lover, huh?
Para siyang dinosaur guys.
So guys, nandito tayo ngayon patungo sa Baluarte na pagmamay-ari ni Chavit Singson. Dito pa rin yan sa Ilocos Sur. Tayo ay mamamasyal at excited tayong makakita ng iba't ibang uri ng mga hayop. Well, tara na't samahan nyo kami sa aming gala.
So dito sa Baluarte may tatlong pila. May for regular na may shuttle service. Pero dito tayo sa walk-in. Maglalakad lang tayo.
Dito po, sir. Patatak po, sir.
Ayaw kami. Sige, go.
Sir.
Tatak muna guys.
Dito daw sa kanya, te. Dito sa
Patatak po, sir.
Dito na kami, ma'am.
Po, sir. Diretso po. Gallery po, sir.
So dito guys, sa Baluarte ni Chavit Singson, napakaraming mga iba't ibang hayop. May tigre, may dinosaur, and all. Walk in. Hala guys, open yung cage. Look at this. Open yung cage ha. Tapos nandun lang yung deer.
Hello, vlog.
Hindi na ako. Eto mga parrot.
Dito na yan.
Tapos dito guys, may kabayo. Sorry. Wow. Maliit na kabayo. So guys, susubukan natin yung sa ahas. Nasaan yung ulo?
Andito pa lang, sir.
Hindi yan nangangayat.
Hindi po, sir.
Wow!
Nangaulaw lang yan.
Napaka-agas! Anong pangalan nito, sir?
Rocky, sir.
Rocky?
Rocky.
Rafi? Rafi.
Wow. Rocky.
So guys, medyo mabigat. Tapos, nafe-feel talaga natin yung kaliskis ng ahas na umaano sa katawan natin. Super angas. Pero segundo lang. Tapos nasa likod natin ang dinosaurs. Wow, dinosaurs.
sir, waterfalls.
Tapos may ostrich dito, guys.
Yan na sir.
Dito yung ostrich. Titignan natin yung ostrich, guys. Hey, ostrich. Hey, ostrich. Hey, ostrich. Look at this. Wow. Guys, parang umaatake siya, oh. Wow, napakaangas. Grabe. Hoy, bakit tuktukan ka, ha? Nakagat iton.
Hello.
Hi, ostrich. Look at this, guys.
Ha?
Oh.
Paklarin mo ba ako?
Parang ano na yung balahibo niya sa likod, guys. So, mapansin natin.
Nagpato ka daw sir. Siyak na kami kung masakit.
Yan, oh, guys.
So guys, totoo nga sabi nila, masakit pa nung kayong ostrich. Nag-stick na sir.
Ostrich. Kruk, 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 kruk. Kruk, kruk. Uy, no. No, don't talk.
I saw you on the corner, lost in your own beat. Coffee in your left hand, dancing with your feet. You don't know I notice every little move. So I left a daisy on your bike seat afternoon. You smile like sunlight through a rainy view, and I've got this ache I don't know how to use. It's just a little something for you. Folded notes in shades of blue, a paper heart beneath your shoe. Don't need a name, just hope you knew that someone out there sees you true. A little something for you. Passed you in the hallway, you were humming low. Dropped a book, I caught it, didn't let it show. You don't see the breadcrumbs trailing where I've been, but I leave them like a story tucked beneath your grin. I wish I could say what I wanna do, but I hide behind the things I leave for you. It's just a little something for you. Origami stars and silver glue, a Polaroid from Avenue 2. You'll never guess, and that's my cue to stay unseen but stay in view. A little something for you. Maybe someday I'll speak up, but for now I just create these quiet little moments. I hope the universe translates. It's just a little something for you. Peppermint and midnight blue, a spark you didn't have to pursue. You don't need to ask who. It's not about a big debut. Just a little something for you.
Di ko alam kung anong meron dito, but we are exploring. And dito, maraming iba't ibang klaseng manok. Look at this. Bakbagak.
Labuyo man ito.
Oh,
That is labuyo.
meaning native.
Oh. Kanina sa tao.
Ito yung advantage ng hindi gumagamit ng coaster. Sapagkat naiikot talaga natin yung mga areas na gusto nating silipin. Look at that. Wow.
Sana all pabida.
Napakaangas, napakaganda.
Kabo.
Mga peacock. Eto guys, look at this. Napakaganda niya. Para siyang dinosaur guys. Pero ingat sa paa niya. Sapagkat talagang pag tayo ay mapadyakan yan, goodbye tayo. Pero yung kulay niya, grabe.
Goodbye daw yun pag once ano.
Masakit yan.
Goodbye daw yan.
Pwedeng may infection ka, oo. Look at that. Oh no, don't attack us. Parang ay wala siyang pakpak guys.
Kaswari.
As in,
Oh.
wala siyang pakpak.
Kay nakakamatay sa ng banyo.
Look at that.
Sabi na may nawong pa.
Tapos yung ulo niya parang may ano. Hi bird!
May palong.
Yung nakita nating ibon kanina, yun ay kaswari. Mga sinaunang ibon pa yon. Tapos talagang napakasakit ng padyak noon kapag matamaan ka. So dito guys sa Baluarte, may nagtitinda dito ng mga souvenir.
Ito po.
Tapos mura yung t-shirts oh.
100 lang po yan.
For only 100 pesos you'll have this. Diba? Napakaangas.
Parang double na yan. Malaki na siya. Harvey na.
So magpapalit tayo guys sapagkat napakainit. Tapos dito guys may mga ref magnets and etc. You can get this for 3 pieces for 100 pesos only. So bumisita na kayo sa Baluarte. Tapos may mga bags. Yan. Mga hat.
Ayun sir, ang tulo 100 sir.
Tulo ka buok. Marang ka ba? So guys, nandito na tayo. Kapapalit lang natin ng damit. O, ka unil. Ano?
Naman.
Anong halaka?
Palo ko may airplane.
May airplane! May airplane! Ikaw?
Nag-picture lion. Nag-picture rock lion. Rar, rar. Okay po, natakot po ako. Okay po, natakot. Ayun po. Mga kuwan. Pakatikabay pero.
Eto guys, dito yung lion no. Ulo, grabe, ang laki ng ulo.
Museum ko tayo para pa.
So ngayon guys, pupunta muna tayo sa museum ni Chavit Singson.
Ay. Ay. Ah. Ay, pala nero mang.
So guys, nasa Baluarte Museum na tayo. Wow. Just wow. Look at this. So napakaraming iba't ibang hayop dito guys na si Sir Chavit Singson ang bumuli. So napapansin natin na eto, gumawa talaga siya ng museum para sa kanya. Tapos isa sa mga hayop na agaw pansin dito ay syempre etong napakalaking elepante. Tapos this is an African elephant. May larawan pa ng nahuli ng na-hunt ni Sir Chavit. Yan. And we also have this crocodile. Mga tunay ito guys, mga tunay na hayop na dinala ni Sir Chavit dito sa Baluarte.
I never meant to break your heart. Now I'm alone in the dark. When could change the past, but you were the one that got away. Yeah, you were the one that got away. I can't believe it's been so long. It feels like yesterday you were home. And I know you hate me for what I did. If I could take it back, I would. You know I would. And I know you're never coming back. You're gone for good, I can't live with that. Oh, I wish I could change the past, but you were the one that got away. Yeah, you were the one that got away. And I know it's all my fault. I never meant to hurt you at all. And I know it's all my fault. I never meant to hurt you at all. And I know you're never coming back. You're gone for good, I can't live with that. Oh, I wish I could change the past, but you were the one that got away. Yeah, you were the one that got away. Yeah, you were the one that got away.
OMG!
Ka-exotic. Grabe.
Nag-chat ako sa imo.
Prehistoric.
Ako lang po sa lahat ng hinuli yung naka-survive. Sir, ano po ba yung nasa isip mo? Bakit mo pinatay ang mga hayop na ito? Aren't you an animal lover? Huh? Because of the loss of, you are the one, the reason of the loss of biodiversity.
So, sa tapat ng Golden Tower, guys, nandito ang mga rabbit. Napakalawak na enclosure ng mga rabbit. And aside from the rabbits here, we also have the Brahma chicken. So, nandito naman yung mga Brahma chicken. So, nasa Golden Tower Hotel na tayo. Yan. Ginto. Look at this hotel, guys. Look at this hotel, guys. Look at that. Right now, guys, nandito tayo sa Golden Tower Hotel. So, mamaya, matapos natin magpahinga, akyat tayo sa taas. Okay na? Tara! Going up, guys! So we are now on the elevator of Golden Tower Hotel. Makikita natin, ha? Look at that, guys! Wow! Look up! Ang bilis natin umakyat, oh! Look at our view, guys. We have the overlooking view of Ilocos. Tapos, look at this, guys. Golden Tower. Parang may tunnel dito.